Let's talk about what yoga props you need in our deep stretching classes. Firstly, you will need an exercise or yoga mat. Now, it doesn't need to be anything fancy or expensive, just whatever mat you have is fine. You will need two yoga blocks. We often use it to support ourselves in different poses. We also use cushions or pillows to support ourselves on our joints and also to eliminate any pressure pain. Sometimes we just use one, sometimes we use more. It just depends on the actual pose and depends on your flexibility. We also use yoga straps. Now, if you don't have a special yoga strap, don't worry about it. You can replace it with a belt, or if you have a long and not too bulky scarf, that will do as well. Now, don't worry, we're not gonna use it for any weird stuff, but it works really well in shoulder stretches or in poses like a laying flamenco to support our leg. I do have this foam roller or massage roller. Now, you don't have to have this, but I really like using it in back stretches. If you don't have that, you can replace it with a block and the cushion on the top of the block. That's fine too. You also need a timer. Now, this is a dedicated stopwatch, but you don't need to buy one. You can just use the timer in your phone. That's fine. You will receive a 15-minute homework every day, so you definitely do need a timer. You also need a Zoom meeting because all the online classes are in Zoom meeting. And the last thing you need is your motivation.